Welcome to Dublin, the vibrant heart of Ireland. A city where ancient history meets modern charm, and every street tells a story. Start your journey at Trinity College. Step inside the magnificent old library and marvel at the Book of Kells, a masterpiece created over 1,000 years ago. Next, explore Dublin Castle and the stunning St. Patrick's Cathedral. Both are iconic symbols of Ireland's royal and spiritual past. Then head to Temple Bar, Dublin's most famous cultural quarter. Experience live music, cosy pubs, street art, and the true Irish atmosphere. No trip to Dublin is complete without visiting the Guinness Storehouse. Discover how Ireland's legendary stout is made and enjoy a perfect pint with panoramic city views from the Gravity Bar. Need a breath of fresh air? Walk through Phoenix Park, one of Europe's largest city parks, or explore the breathtaking cliffs of Howth along Dublin Bay. What truly makes Dublin special are its people, friendly, welcoming, and full of stories. Enjoy a chat, share a laugh, and feel at home wherever you go. So, what are you waiting for? Plan your visit and discover the magic of Dublin today. Subscribe for more travel inspiration from Dreams Trip Travel.